Hey guys, how we doing today? I'm here at the Extreme Powerhouse Las Vegas location, and I'm here to review the Mishimoto Skid Plate for the 2021 and up G80 G82 models. Not only am I going to be reviewing it, I'm going to break it down, show you what's inside, and we're going to take it over to the shop to get it installed. So follow me to the table. I'm dying to see what's in here. I mean, just at first glance, guys, this is a beauty. You can tell this is top-notch aluminum used to craft this product. I mean, just look how nice this wrinkle looks. By the way, it might look pretty heavy. Looking at it, you might think, but it's really, really light. And it's one of the things I really like about this product. And I love the way these are shaped. And everything's really nicely done on this thing. Look at that beautiful logo. Mishimoto, gotta hand it out to them. They did a really, really good job with this. You can see the precision engineering and the engine wrinkle black finish, which not only looks fantastic, but also offers additional resistance to corrosion and wear. The skid plate shields your engine and other vital components from road debris, rocks, and other hazards. Think of it as protection for your vehicle. Or better yet, think of it as your car's superhero cape, but cooler. The skid plate is designed with maintenance in mind. As you can see, our technician is having a fairly easy time installing the Mishimoto skid plate. The new skid plate does not block any other parts. It does not go over anything, and it does not interfere with any other mods you might have on your vehicle, bar the front lip on this BMW. This is done by the manufacturer on purpose. The product features pre-drilled access points, making oil changes and other routine tasks much easier without needing to remove the plate. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you've got questions or just want to tell us how awesome your car is, leave a comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy driving and keep those cars protected.